The secret behind such delicious movie theater popcorn has been revealed. In a large saucepan over medium-low heat, start by adding 1 drizzle of vegetable oil. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir until evenly spread. Then add 100 grams of corn kernels and stir a bit more until the oil incorporates into every kernel. Let them fry until they start popping. When that happens, cover the saucepan and let them all pop. Once you've done that, remove from the heat, transfer all the popcorn to a large bowl, and set aside. Next, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add a 240 milliliter cup of refined sugar and stir until fully melted. When that happens, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or margarine and keep stirring until the sugar fully absorbs the butter. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. After that, gradually add 200 milliliters of milk at room temperature and stir until it combines and forms a smooth caramel syrup. This is the right cooking point. You may now stop stirring, set aside, and let it cool a bit. Once the caramel syrup has cooled, pour it over the popcorn. And using a spatula, mix very well until incorporated. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. This is the right blend. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.